one of these.
Yes, so.
Oh yeah, eat.
Small Lion, when Brother Shaggy traveled to the UK, did you miss him?
Every time is on phone. Say go London first day. Now in first day 200 naira note. I mean, I first me I dey use go buy a one from here. They waiting on me. I got talk another one. Show me.
Oh, sorry about that, Small Lion. Small Lion, what is an adjective?
Adjective. Adjective na winch na. Na thief na only. All together na adjective. Any other question dey go somewhere.
Small Lion, what is the plural of bread?
The plural of bread. A slice bread.
But bread does not have plural.
I shall go tap na boy the best. Because when you say what is to before one is to before two. Thank you.
Our society has got a problem. This is ominous.